Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a Chrome web browser bookmark widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And on the home screen, touch and hold, then tap on widgets. Next, go and find a Chrome folder and tap on it. Then make sure that you are on Chrome Bookmarks and then tap on the Add button. Now the widget will add to the home screen. You can touch and hold onto the widget to resize the widget. So you can increase or decrease the horizontal or vertical size. And that's it. So when you need to access a bookmark, simply just tap on it and that will open up the web page. And that's how you can add a Chrome bookmark widget to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.